All right. So we see here conform steel. It will be a matter of conform steel inspection. This is foam insulation. Open cell is really soft. It's open cell. Its value is approximately 4.1 R per inch. So if we have 6 inches here, fill up all the stuff. Fill up is 6 inches. So you have 6 inches times 4, 20 times 24 R for the R value for the insulation. Right now we're observing fire stopping. This is fire stopping. We had to make sure that you don't have fumes or smoke ascending from one floor to the next one on top. And that's why the code requires to seal these penetrations for piping and plumbing. Everything had to be sealed with fire stopping material, with fireproof material. We see here fire stop, and it would be an issue for a pipe insulation, copper pipe insulation. It would be very good, very good. When the shaft is closed. Good, perfect. Piping for, you can see the drains for the bathrooms upstairs. You can see it. You can see the water supply, hot water, cold water, the bathtub. Everything is insulated, nice. Couple here and there. Here are the drains for the air conditioner. Condensate water. We're looking a lot. We're looking at the partitions wall. We have a 3.5 inches light gauge stud, 158 gypsum board one side, 158 gypsum board on the other side. We have the windows. We have sometimes now when we're doing the fenestration, window fenestration or window inspection, you have to check for the values here. They posted these values need to be checked with those on the mandated in the drawings. U factor, solar heat gain coefficient, visible transmittance, and condensation resistance. These values are important. Has to be matched with whatever is on the drawings. General construction drawings, all the architectural drawings. Corridor area. This opening has to be closed. One opening in this apartment 419. 419. Here it is. You had to close here and here. 419. Right? So I've been coming here to this building since day one, practically. You can see the installations, 4th floor. Jesus, this building is huge. Elevator installation. See the pipes penetrating, go from one floor to the next one through the slab. So they penetrate the slab, they make a hole to pass the piping, right? Drain pipes and water supply piping. So that's the gap between the pipe and the cement and the hole. The gap that is still there has to be sealed with fireproof material. That's what it's called, the fire stopping. Because we don't want smoke going from one floor to the next one, and we don't want smoke going from one floor to the next one in the same floor, and that's why we have the fire stopping, fire blocking. This is a public area, this is a private area. This area has to be protected with 2 hours fire resistant construction walls. You can see fire resistant construction wall is 2 5/8 Dixon boards in the main area, in the public area. The fire blocking is completed for the apartments facing to the public area. So you need fire blocking and fire stopping. Main difference in between is the kind of smoke they're trying to stop. One going vertically, the other one moving horizontally. You can see after the fire, the inspection for foam is passed, then they can install the membranes. We can see sound barrier, sound mitigation in between the partitions walls. Jeez. Nice, everything's well done. I like it. They did a great job.
Mándame a Jenny solo con token acá abajo, 3.
Hola, buen día. You see sound insulation, sound mitigation for the partition walls. So those walls are not fire rated. Well, they're fire rated because they have 5/8 gypsum boards, but it's only 1 hour. Hola, buen día. Okay. Elevator, 4th floor. It was the Viusim Pink Next Gen Fiberglass R11 home face insulation. Oh, gee. Can see anything facing the public area has to have 2 gypsum boards on it. Galicia.